Hello guys! In this video, you will learn how you can search within a channel on YouTube. To start, open your YouTube app. And as you can see right here, I am watching a video about how I locked my profile on Facebook. So for example, I want to search another topic about that. So what I can do right now is just to tap on the YouTube channel right here. It will then direct me here to this YouTube channel where I can see different topics that I can choose from. So now to search within this YouTube channel, what I can do is just to tap on this home right here. So this is the home. These are the video that I can see. Or I can choose right here the videos, where I can see the latest videos from this YouTube channel. And also I can choose from playlist, where I can see more organized videos according to topics. So for example, I want a topic from Facebook, I can see it right here. Or if it's Instagram, I can see it right here. Or about Messenger, I can see it right here on playlist. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!